Imagine waking up to the soft sound of rain tapping gently on the roof above you. You slowly open your eyes, stretch your arms, and instead of staring at four hotel walls, you're surrounded by warm wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, and a wide panoramic windshield that opens up to a quiet mountain road ahead. There's no checkout time, no rush, and no noise from the outside world. Just calm, comfort, and the open road waiting for you. This is the feeling the Airstream Atlas 24ms is designed to give you. It's not just about traveling from one place to another. It's about changing the way you experience the journey itself. Today, we're stepping inside the Airstream Atlas 24ms, a luxury travel van that turns every trip into something special. This isn't ordinary van life. This is first-class travel on wheels. The Airstream Atlas 24ms is built for people who crave freedom but refuse to give up comfort, design, and quality. It's built on the trusted Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, which already gives you confidence, safety, and a smooth driving experience. But what Airstream has added on top of that foundation is where the magic really happens. This travel van is made for long highway drives, quiet scenic stops, and comfortable living, whether you're parked beside the ocean, tucked into the forest, or rolling through endless open roads. Everything about this van feels intentional, thoughtful, and refined. From the outside, the Atlas 24ms immediately makes a strong impression. The design is clean and confident, with smooth body lines and a premium finish that feels timeless rather than trendy. Large windows wrap around the van, allowing natural light to pour inside while giving you incredible views wherever you park. Up front, the Mercedes grille and modern headlights give it a strong, composed presence on the road. It doesn't scream for attention, yet it quietly stands out. This is a van that looks just as good parked at a scenic overlook as it does cruising down the highway. Climb into the driver's seat, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels familiar yet refined. The Mercedes cockpit is designed for comfort and control, with supportive seating, clear digital displays, and simple, easy-to-reach controls. Visibility through the wide windshield is excellent, making long drives feel relaxed rather than tiring. On the road, the Atlas feels smooth and stable, soaking up miles with ease. Whether you're navigating city traffic or stretching out on long highway runs, this van feels composed and confident, which is exactly what you want when luxury travel is the goal. Step inside the living space, and the atmosphere changes instantly. The interior feels open, calm, and surprisingly spacious. Warm wood tones, soft leather seating, and carefully placed lighting create a space that feels more like a modern apartment than a camper van. The layout is open and uncluttered, allowing you to move freely without ever feeling boxed in. Every detail feels deliberate, from the textures to the color choices, all working together to create a relaxing environment. The main living area is designed for comfort and everyday living. The seating is plush and supportive, giving you a place to relax after a long drive, enjoy a quiet morning coffee, or unwind in the evening with a good view outside your window. Large windows surround the space, keeping you connected to the outdoors at all times. Whether it's a peaceful forest, a wide desert landscape, or a coastal sunset, the outside world always feels close. This is a space where you can slow down, breathe, and truly enjoy the moment. Just steps away, the kitchen area continues the theme of smart design and practicality. Despite its compact footprint, it offers everything you need for life on the road. There's a modern cooktop for preparing meals, a clean and functional sink, smart storage solutions for utensils and supplies, and a refrigerator that's perfectly sized for extended trips. Cooking here feels easy and natural, not like a compromise. Everything is placed where it should be, and every surface feels solid and well built, reminding you that this van is designed for real use, not just show. Toward the rear, the sleeping area feels like a private retreat. The bed is spacious and comfortable, designed for proper rest after long days of exploring. Soft lighting creates a calm atmosphere, while the surrounding finishes maintain the same premium feel found throughout the van. This isn't just a place to sleep. It's a place to relax, recharge, and wake up refreshed, ready for the next day's adventure. One of the most impressive parts of the Atlas 24ms is the bathroom. Unlike many travel vans that force you to compromise, this one gives you a fully enclosed bathroom with a proper shower and toilet. That means privacy, convenience, and comfort wherever you are. No shared restrooms, no stepping outside in the middle of the night, and no sacrificing basic comforts. It's a small space, but it's thoughtfully designed and incredibly practical for life on the road. Throughout the van, technology and features are integrated seamlessly. Climate control keeps the interior comfortable in any weather, lighting is easy to adjust for different moods, and the power systems are designed to support extended travel. Everything feels intuitive and easy to use, so you can focus more on enjoying the journey and less on managing the van. This is luxury that works quietly in the background. What truly sets the Airstream Atlas 24ms apart is its balance. It doesn't try to be overly rugged or overly flashy. Instead, it focuses on comfort, quality, and timeless design. It's made for travelers who want freedom without chaos, adventure without discomfort, and movement without stress. It's ideal for couples, solo travelers, or anyone who values thoughtful design and effortless travel. Now let me ask you something. Could you see yourself living or traveling in a luxury van like this? Or do you prefer a larger motorhome setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, because I'd love to hear what kind of travel fits your lifestyle best. In the end, the Airstream Atlas 24ms is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about waking up somewhere new without giving up comfort. It's about having the freedom to go anywhere while still feeling completely at home. If luxury travel on your own terms sounds like your idea of the perfect journey, the Atlas 24ms might be exactly what you're looking for. If you enjoyed this look inside the Airstream Atlas 24ms, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more luxury motorhome and travel van content, and tell me which vehicle you'd like to see next. Until then, drive safe, travel free, and I'll see you in the next one.